Hello all, welcome to Lovely Gifts and Designs. Here you'll see two pallets of Amazon shelf poles, and this is where it's being delivered from the truck. We had two pallets delivered by Liftgate from our local wholesaler here in Connecticut. They're all shelf poles. Everything is new in its original packaging, no returns. So I made sure to get the shelf poles, but both of these are Amazon pallets. And that's me and my son opening the first one, and here comes the second one. And now we're going to speed it up so this way you don't have to watch that whole thing of us unloading for over an hour of two pallets. And my neighbor came in to help out because we have to bring it up to my condo, which is on the top floor. And then I will be back in a minute.
Okay, well, this is what it looks like after you unload two pallets and bring it up to your condo. So here we go. I put everything on a folding table to at least organize it in my house for now, or tidy it up a bit. But this is all of it. Anything that looked like it's multiples, because I have no idea what these things are until I actually open at least one of them. Like these boxes right here, they have the same label and whatnot, and the same here. So anything that was the same size, same labels, like those boxes there. Here we have, which I found out are actually lunch bags. Those, all multiples. Like I said, great that there's multiples because it makes it easy on the listing. And then I have more to offer my customers. And it also took over my sewing table, underneath the table, on the floor. And in those two bins right there, those two bins, we just took everything that was really small and put it in those two bins. I have no idea really what's in there. We didn't look through it, sort through it, anything. We just took anything that was small and put it in there, in those two bins. So they're pretty much full and overflowing. And then we have stuff behind it as well. So it's a lot. And not bad. These are all shelf pulls, nothing in here is a return. They're all shelf pulls, so they're brand new in box, and we'll be unboxing it in just a minute.